My name is Zarina. My soul brother's name is Andreas. And we are Olox, a performing duo from Los Angeles, California. I was born and grew up in Arctic Siberia, the Republic of Saha, Yakutии, one of the most coldest, remote, inhabited place on planet Earth. And 2 years ago, we came to the United States.
How big is America's Got Talent in the Siberian world?
In my village, the internet came 3 years ago only. So
3 years?
Yeah, so in my village, people just got to know where is that. Living in that severe environment, you need to be in harmony with all animals, human and Mother Nature. Going out on the stage, we're bringing our ancestors, and we hope that we will get the universe's energy through the audience and through the judges.
Wow. Beautiful. Very nice. Who are you guys?
We're Olox, duo from Arctic Siberia, the Republic of Saha, Yakutии.
Wow. I just love the outfits you have on.
Thank you so much.
So why America's Got Talent?
This is our biggest dream. It's so unusual being here. It's just the place where I was born, Saha Republic, my people. They're in a small, remote place. And the winter's temperature can be minus 94 degrees.
What? Minus 94.
94 by Fahrenheit.
What will you be doing for us today?
We're going to sing a song, world well-known song, Zombie by Cranberries.
Oh, wow.
In our style, using traditional singing techniques of my people.
Wow.
Good luck.
Machtal, thank you.
I can't wait to hear this.
So beautiful.
But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they're fighting. But they drums, and they bombs, and they guns, and they bombs. In your head, they're fighting. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head?
Hi YouTube, thanks for watching. Click below to subscribe.